When these commercial lever handles wore out, Lock the Smith UT stepped in for a seamless replacement, keeping this business secure and accessible. Here's how we delivered a hassle-free upgrade. Assessment. Remove the old handles without disrupting daily operations. Precision alignment adjusted for smooth operation. No sticking, no jams. Final testing ensured perfect function for employees and visitors. Durability. Commercial-grade hardware lasts years longer. Need commercial hardware upgrades? Locksmith UT handles businesses, schools, and offices. Call today.